As a veteran and coming out of the Marine Corps after, doing some service overseas, looking into business, I originally thought that I would need to be a guy with, an officer or a higher enlisted guy with more time. But in exploring and learning what I could do, my advice would be explore and learn what benefits are available to you as a veteran, because there are many things out there for all sorts of veterans to help you start your business.
So I spent 8 years in the Marines in the engineer field. We did 2 tours, one in Iraq, one in Afghanistan. My time there, just learning to manage people, learning to manage work and everything that comes along with daily life in the Marines certainly helps out. Working with people that aren't military is a bit of a challenge sometimes, and that's been one of the areas we had to learn and grow in for sure.
I was in the U.S. Navy Seabees construction from 1974 until 1979. I reconnected with my construction background coming into Renew Crew, and I love working outdoors. Outdoor Living Brands gives me a working model to go by, and I don't have to reinvent the wheel, so to speak. I can follow the directions that they give and get the support and guidance I need to run my business successfully, and that's real important to me.
In the franchising business, you have a way set up, a way to do it, something to follow. And if you follow the process, it comes out in a certain way. It's kind of the same thing when we're flying airplanes. If you follow the checklist and do everything right, you should be able to take off and land the airplane. So follow the checklist, I should be able to land some deals and sell some decks.
Being in the military, we're part of a team. And being at franchisees, this is our team. So knowing that there's nobody at corporate that I don't email or call that doesn't get back with me right away. And yes, we're business owners, but it's still a structured system with great support. And the other franchisees, just like at the annual meeting, come together and we talk about different strategies and things and mistakes that we've made in the past that have been their strengths and can help us in the future, and that's spectacular.
Answering to someone has always been something I've been so accustomed to, and I'm getting tired of it. So I am finally my own boss, and I don't have to answer to anyone except for Capricia, and I wouldn't want it any other way.